Good morning, children. Today we will study about. Today we will learn about sound of A. A has different sound. Okay. So we are looking here. A is pronounced like A. A is pronounced like A. Like M-A-D-A-N. Madan. K-A-M-A-L. Kamal. K-A-R-A-N. Karan. L-A-K-H-A-N. Lakhan. P-A-W-A-N. Pawan. L-A-L-A-N, Lalan. Here A is always pronounced like A. Similarly, now next sound is A. Next sound of A is A. A is pronounced like A. Like C-A-R, car. M-A-L-L, mal. W-A-L-L, wall. H-A-L-L, hall. T-A-L-L, tall. B-A-L-L, ball. Now, further, A is pronounced like A. A is pronounced like A. Now, D-A-T-E, date. Here A is pronounced like A, but E is silent. E is silent here. Now, L-A-T, late. Again, E is silent here. A is pronounced like A. G-A-T, gate. S-A-L-E, sail. M-A-L-E, male. P-A-L-E, pale. T-A-P-E, tape. Understand? Now, A is pronounced like A. A is pronounced like A, sound of A. C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. F-A-N, fan. M-A-N, man. B-A-G, bag. B-A-D, bag. Now, A is also pronounced like air. A-R. So, as for example, C-A-R-E, care. H-A-R-E, hair. B-A-R-E, bear. F-A-R-E, fair. M-A-R-E, mare. D-A-R-E, dare. Now children, you will have to recite at home and try to write 10 examples on each type.